Do you struggle with making friends and crave lifelong connections? Well, worry no more because in this video, we're going to give you the ultimate guide to making friends. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, be yourself. Authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not just to fit in. Smile and approach others with a positive attitude. People are drawn to positivity, so let your true colors shine. Next, engage in activities you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's joining a sports club, attending art classes, or volunteering for a cause you're passionate about, finding like-minded individuals will be a breeze. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations. Small talk can lead to remarkable connections. Ask open-ended questions and show genuine interest in the person you're talking to. Remember, everyone loves to talk about themselves, so be an active listener. Show empathy and be supportive. Being a good friend means being there for others during both their highs and lows. Offer a helping hand, lend an ear, or simply be a shoulder to lean on. Maintain your friendships by making an effort. Schedule regular catch-ups, celebrate milestones together, and be present in their lives. Remember, friendships require nurturing. Lastly, embrace diversity. Don't limit yourself to a specific group or category of friends. Embrace different cultures, backgrounds, and perspectives. Meeting people from different walks of life will enrich your own experiences. And that's